हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। मेरा नाम है चैतन्य और आज हम देखने वाले एमसीक्यूज ऑन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग पार्ट 3। यस, नाउ हियर इज द थर्ड पार्ट एंड मोर 20 क्वेश्चंस। सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स वेयर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज software engineering primarily aims on. Yes, the first question is software engineering primarily aims on, and options are reliable software, option B cost effective software, option C reliable and cost effective software, and option number D is none of the above. And the answer is option number C, reliable and cost effective software. Every software want this. Question number 2, a good specification should be unambiguous, option B distinctly specific, option C functional, and option number D all of the above. Here the answer is all of the above. All of the specifications should be in the software. Yes. Question number 3 is which of the following is a tool in design phases? Yes, and options are option A abstraction, option B refinement, option C information hiding, and option number D all of the above. And the answer is of course all of the above. Yes, option is information hiding is to hide from user details. Yes, and options option A the arc relevant to him, option B the arc not relevant to him, option C that may be maliciously handled by him, option D that are confidential. Yes, this is the options, and the correct answer is option number C, which is that may be malicious handled by him. Now the fifth question, which of the following comment about object oriented design of software is not true? Okay, here we have to choose which is not true. Option number A, object inherit the properties of the class. Option number B, classes are defined based on attributes of object. Option number C, an object can belong to two classes. And option number D, classes are always different. Yes, and here the correct answer is option number C, an object can belong to two class. Now the sixth question, and the question is design phase includes option number A data, architecture and procedural design only. Option number B architecture, procedural and interface design only. Option number C data, architecture and interface design only. And option number D data, architecture, interface and procedural design. So this is the options, and the correct answer is of course option number D, data, architecture, interface and procedural language. And the question number 7 is data structure suitable for the application is discussed in dash. In what? Option number A data design, option number B architectural design, option number C procedural design, and option number D interface design. Yes, and the correct answer is option number A, which is data design. Question number 8, design phase will usually be, and options are option A top down, option B bottom up, option number C random, and option number D center fringing. Yes, and the option is option number A top down. Question number 9 is assertion are conditions which are true at the point of execution, and options are option A always, option B sometime, option C many time, and option number D no time. Yes, and the answer is option A always. Question number 10, assuming the existence of a start and end nodes for a program graph, the total number of path is equivalent to the dash set of test data required to test the software. Okay, and options are option A minimum, option B maximum, option C optimum, and option number D supremum. Okay, and answer is option number A minimum. There is a minimum set of test data required to test the software. Question number 11 is which of the following software engineering concept does add a language support? Okay, and options are option A abstraction, option B generic, option C information hiding, and option number D all of the above. And correct answer is here option number D all of the above. This one. Question number 12 is which of the following testing method is normally used as the acceptance test for a software system? And options, option number A regression testing, option number B, integration testing, option number C, unit testing, and option number D, functional testing. Okay, and answer is option number C, unit testing. Question number 13. Software testing techniques are most effective if applied immediately after option number A, requirement specification, option number B, design, option number C, coding, and option number D, integration. And answer is option number B, design. All of these questions are belongs to unit 1. Okay. Now the 14th question is, consider the following statement. The product should have a good human interface. What characteristic of SRS is being depicted here? Option number A, consistent. Option number B, non-verifiable. Option number C, correct. And option number D, ambiguous. Yes, look here, and the correct answer is option number B, non-verifiable. Now the 15th question is, consider the following statement. The data set will contain an end of a file character. What the characteristics of SRS is being depicted here? Option number A, consistent. Option number B, non-verifiable. Option number C, correct. And option number D, yes, ambiguous. Okay, and the answer is option number B, non-verifiable. So question 16 is, consider the following statement. The output of a program shall be given within 10 seconds. Okay, of event X 10% of the time. What characteristic of SRS is being depicted here? Okay, and options are option number A, consistent. Option number B, verifiable. Option number C, non-verifiable. And option number D, correct. Okay, and the answer is of course verifiable. Question number 17. Which of the following is not included in SRS? And options are option number A, performance. Option number B, functionality. Option number C, design solutions. And option number D, external interface. Answer is option number C, design solutions. And the last slide is question number 18. The SRS document is also known as specification. Okay, and options are option number A, black box. Option number B, white box. Option number C, gray box. And option number D, none of them mentioned. Yes, simple answer, of course, black box. Now the 19th question. Which of the following is included in SRS? Option number A, cost. Option number B, design constraint. Option number C, staffing. And option number D, delivery schedule. Yes, same here. The answer is design constraint. And last question is question number 20. Which of the following property of SRS is depicted by the statement conformity of a standard is maintained? Okay, and options are option A, correct. Option number B, complete. Option number C, consistent. And option number D, modifiable. Yes, answer is option number B, complete. Here we again completed 20 questions of software engineering, and in the next I will complete more 20 questions. Okay, so thank you for the watching video.